Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we explore the signs and symptoms of urinary tract infection, how you can check them at home, and delve into natural remedies and home solutions that can help manage UTIs effectively. If you are not a subscriber, please first hit that subscribe button and then let's get started. Urinary tract infection, or commonly known as UTIs, can be quite bothersome. It can cause various signs and symptoms, but the most common ones are frequent and urgent urination. It's like when you find yourself need to urine more frequently than usual and feel an urgent need to go to the toilet. It could be a sign of UTI because the infection irritates the lining of the urinary tract, making you feel like you need to empty your bladder more often. The second common symptom is feeling pain or burning sensation. It is usually felt while urination. That's because the infection causes inflammation in the urinary tract, leading to discomfort while passing urine. The third one is cloudy or strong smelling urine. UTI can cause change in the urine color and odor. You might notice that your urine is cloudy or has a strong, unpleasant smell. This is due to presence of bacteria or pus in the urinary tract. Another sign might be the presence of blood in the urine. Of course, it can have other reasons rather than UTI. For example, passing the stones can be another cause for seeing blood in the urine, which is called hematuria. But it's essential to seek for medical care if you notice the blood in your urine. Pelvic pain or pressure is another symptom. This discomfort is as a result of irritation or inflammation of urinary tract, bladder, or kidneys. Apart from these signs and symptoms, another question arises: can you diagnose UTI at home? I should say there are some tests you can use at home in order to have the initial diagnosis. The most common used one are urine dipsticks. These dipsticks allow you to test your urine at home. You can buy them from pharmacies or drugstores. They detect the presence of certain substances such as nitrites or leukocytes, which may indicate a UTI. However, these tests are not definitive, so it's important to consult with a healthcare provider while you have these signs or symptoms. But they can be applied for initial diagnosis. Especially, it is more important for pregnant women or children because neglecting urinary tract infection in these groups might have severe consequences for them. While a medical treatment is often necessary for managing UTIs, there are some natural remedies or home solutions that may help manage symptoms and support recovery, and they can be used alongside prescribed treatments. One of the most important tips is to increase fluid intake. Of course, patients with liver, kidney, or heart diseases should be more careful about increasing water intake. But how it works? Drinking plenty of water and staying hydrated can help flush out bacteria from the urinary tract. Water dilutes the urine and encourages more frequent urination, aiding in the removal of bacteria. Use of probiotics such as lactobacillus might also be beneficial. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help maintain a healthy balance in the urinary tract. They promote the growth of good bacteria, which can help prevent the overgrowth of bad bacteria or harmful bacteria, which are responsible for UTIs. This natural solution is, I think, somehow interesting because some of you might have heard it or some might not. And I introduce it with two scientific papers, and that's cranberries. Cranberry products have long been used as natural remedies for UTIs. There is an active compound in cranberries called protocyanogens, which interferes with the ability of bacteria, particularly E. coli, to stick to the urinary tract lining. This prevents bacterial colonization and reduces the risk of UTIs. One study published in 2018 about cranberry consumption against urinary tract infection. It was a review of the current clinical studies that had evaluated the efficacy of supplementing cranberry products against UTIs in different subpopulations. This review found that cranberry consumption may have possible benefits in preventing from UTIs by preventing preventing bacterial adherence to your epithelial cells. Another paper published in 2021 with the topic cranberries for preventing urinary tract infections was also a review of multiple studies that assessed the effectiveness of cranberry products in preventing UTIs in susceptible populations. This review found that, compared with placebo, water, or no treatments, cranberry products did not significantly reduce the occurrence of symptomatic UTI overall or for any subgroups. As you see, the results are not definitive, so cranberries cannot be the only treatment for UTIs, but you can still enjoy the delicious cranberries and you might get benefits from its anti-UTI properties. And finally, if you want to feel more comfortable while you are suffering from UTI, warm compress is one of the best options. Applying that to the lower abdomen can reduce pain or discomfort associated with a UTI. These warmths can help reduce the inflammation and help the muscles to relax. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and it has been informative for you. Please like this video, comment if you have any questions or suggestions, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. See you next time and take care.